Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the connection. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both iPhones and unlock the receiving device so it can be seen. Open the photo, document, or file you want to send, tap the share icon, and scan the row of sharing options. Once you see AirDrop or Nearby Share, tap it and pick the recipient's device name. You do this now because initiating a visible transfer prompts the receiving iPhone to appear and accept immediately. Once you tap the recipient, the other iPhone shows an accept prompt. You must accept to start. Make sure AirDrop visibility is contacts only or everyone as needed, because privacy settings block unknown devices. Watch the progress bar on the sending screen and keep both phones active. Don't switch to airplane mode or lock the screen mid-transfer. If you have multiple items, select them all first, so the system sends one consolidated packet. After transfer completes, verify the file in the correct app. Photos go to Photos, Documents to Files, or the receiving app. If the transfer stalls or fails, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both phones, then retry. This refresh resolves most handshake issues. As a last resort, temporarily set AirDrop to everyone or create a shareable iCloud link from the sending app. These steps ensure completion while maintaining control over visibility and privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.